Good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing today? I'm Coach Laudiaann Silvis, and I was wondering what kind of video I wanted to put up this today. I wanted to share this nice, nice background. See this nice picture, this image you see of a stream. See the water going down the trees and all that. Well, in this video, I'm actually going to play something soothing for you all. As you know, guys, I think I mentioned it to you guys earlier that I am a musician and I have a ministry with my music. I go in nursing homes, I play for the patients. But right now the pandemic is going on, so I can't really go in there room to room, visit patients, and play music for them. And I actually play flute. I do flute therapy. I play the piccolo. So I switch off. I do actually I do different enter entertainments, what do you call it, 1 hour entertainment for them. So there's certain places that I do often go every week. I used to go every week before. I used to play for an hour in their happy time hour, and they really love and enjoy it so much, and I really enjoy making them happy. And that's my purpose, make people happy with my music. And who the Most High God has blessed me, this is a gift that I have. Now I want to spread it online. I want to spread it to my YouTube channel. I want to spread it to my network friends. Get excited because I'm going to play Elderwise. I don't know if you guys know the song, but when I saw this image right here, I downloaded off Google Image. I just download any image, and I thought of the song Elderwise, so I decided to want to play it for you guys this morning. Okay, I want to show you guys. This is a piccolo. Okay, it comes in 2 pieces. um, but I'm gonna stick it back in there, and I'm gonna start playing Elderwise for you, and enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, guys, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.